Instagram that the owner had recently opened, and I've never cut in a barbershop before. So I said, you know what, let me just give it a try. And yeah, I came talk to the owner. He said, yeah, you can start. The next day. It's, ever since then, it's been a ride. Sí, pero tengo clientes. Obviously, there's a language barrier with some clients, so that helps a lot because you understand what they want, and it's not like they go through like they can show you a picture, but it's not like communication with the client. Give a good service, make the client feel comfortable. Pretty much it. Just make the client feel comfortable.